If you use Todoist with Outlook and you want to remove it, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Todoist from Outlook step by step so you can clean up your add-ins and keep only the tools you actually use. This is a simple process, and you do not need any advanced settings or technical knowledge to do it. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Outlook and go to any email message in your inbox. It can be any message at all because we just need to access the email view panel where the add-ins are located. Once the message is open, look along the top of the email window. You should see either the apps icon or, in some versions of Outlook, a 3 dots icon. This is where Outlook keeps extra tools and add-ins. Click that icon to open the menu. From the list of options, select Get Add-ins. This will open the add-ins store and management area inside Outlook. Here, you can browse new add-ins, but more importantly, you can manage the ones already installed on your account. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar menu and click My Add-ins. This section shows all the add-ins currently connected to Outlook. It's the place where you can review, disable, or remove tools like Todoist. Now scroll through the list until you find Todoist. When you see it, click the 3 dots options icon next to it. A small menu will appear with more actions. From that menu, choose Remove. Outlook may ask you to confirm the removal, so if a prompt appears, go ahead and confirm it. Once you do that, Todoist will be removed from Outlook and it should no longer appear in your add-ins list. That means you've successfully cleaned it out of your Outlook setup. If you ever want to add it back later, you can always return to the add-ins section and reinstall it, and that's it. You've now learned how to remove Todoist from Outlook in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.